Hey, hi. I hope you're doing well. My name is Mehdi and welcome on this channel. Today, I wanted to do a quick video to analyze and discuss Fenty Beauty e-commerce marketing strategy. There are five things that I want to highlight today. And the first one is cross branding, how Fenty Beauty is doing it also with the other brands of the group. The second one is Rihanna, because that's a brand created by Rihanna and she's all over the communication. We'll check that. The third one is how they actually manage their discounts and promotions. There are a few cool things that we can get. The fourth one is maybe the most interesting for me, especially for the skincare part, is how they're doing bundles and how they're trying to sell it. It's super interesting. And five, the last one would be the ads. I guess we're going to take a look at the ads. How do they manage their advertising and how much of their advertising relies on Rihanna? All right, okay. Let's jump right in to actually do this analysis. I'm going to do it with a platform that we co-founded here. The platform is called Panoramata, and it allows you to both monitor your competitors' digital marketing super easily. It's a game changer, really, and also helps you find inspiration for everything related to e-commerce marketing. Would be emails, advertising, website, landing pages, whatever. You can find it on the platform. So let's jump right in. All right, go. I'm gonna go for Fenty Beauty. See, Fenty Skin is just pretty much the same thing. So let's start with Fenty Beauty here. And all right, here we can see the main statistics of the brand. You can see that. So right now, at the time that I'm recording this video, we're at the peak of holiday season. So that's why they're sending that much email. But anyway, you see the pattern here. They're sending almost an email a day, maybe sometimes a bit less, but that's the trend. See here, you can see the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the last 10 weeks, they've been on an average between 3 and 9 emails per week. So that's a lot. All right. Okay, so first thing that I wanted to actually have a quick look at is, the cross branding. That's pretty easy for Fenty Beauty, created by Rihanna. She actually owns several brands. I do believe that they're part of the LVMH group. I believe the parent company is called Kendo, but Rihanna owns two brands and they do a lot of cross branding between the brands. So the first one, here we go. But they're doing that every 2 months at least. It's another brand that she owns that is called Savage, which is actually an underwear brand. Well, you got it here. That's something that they do a lot. They do a lot of that too on Instagram. So I wanted to mention that in this video. That if you have really close brands or brands that you can actually do co-branding with them or co-organize events or giveaways, contests, that kind of thing, really don't hesitate because it's something super useful in your for your company, for your companies, and you can actually just work the audiences with different content, and it's something super interesting to do. See, here's another example here. It's Mix Savage X Fenty Sport. The same. If you can find another brand that you know or that you own, even better case, but you can do an edition of your product bundled together for sport, for winter, for summer, for a night out um, event, whatever. Don't hesitate to do it because it's super powerful. And Rihanna is doing it perfectly. Fenty Beauty is doing it. It's very smart. It's a very smart strategy. All right, second, but you might have seen it here and in other emails that we got. Sorry, it's Rihanna itself. Every other week, they're sending emails putting Rihanna front and center, putting Rihanna in the subject line. So it makes sense, but it's just a reminder of if you do work with a big influencer, with a celebrity, if you're a celebrity yourself, don't hesitate to actually put your face on the communication of your brand. All right. Okay. Third one. Third one is interesting as well. It's how they're managing their discounts and promotions. It's Here we go. What we're gonna do here is that I'm gonna select a few emails to doing discounts. So here we're for Halloween. I want also to want to take a look at what they've been doing. Here we go for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. See here, 25%, 30%, even until 60% for a pop-up deal on select item. See, here is something that I wanted to mention because it's a pattern that I see in every big brand that I'm reviewing on this channel. At the times where a lot of brands are sending a lot of emails, think Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, New Year's Eve, Mother's Day, whatever occasion, do not hesitate to send an email several times a day if needed, at least more emails than usual. And please don't hesitate. I know sometimes it's hard because you're feeling like it's not the right thing to do. But actually, it is. Don't hesitate to reuse the same visual several times because it's easier for you. And since people are receiving a lot more emails in their inbox, they actually won't notice. The probability for someone to open two newsletters, two of your newsletters is actually pretty low. For someone to actually open those and notice that you've sent pretty much the same visual in those is actually almost non-existent. So please don't hesitate to do this. Rihanna is doing it. Fenty Beauty is doing it. So it's pretty aggressive, to be fairly honest, because they've been sending the same 4 times and twice every day. What I would advise would be to use the same visual, but like not in a row. Like have another email meanwhile. So actually, the probability is even lower. But I just wanted to show this example because it's important for everyone within the email marketing industry, in the e-commerce industry, to actually understand that it's something that you can do. Photo shoots are expensive. Once you do get a great photo shoot or a great email, do not hesitate to send it twice. See, it's the same here for I guess it's for Halloween 2 months ago. Yeah, it might be for Halloween. So yeah, that's it. See, same here. And then, okay, and here it's perfect because here you have an email with a subject line, the very same email with another subject line, and then another email just between them. So that's the perfect way you should do this for promotions and discount, especially I think Halloween, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, those big promotional moments. All right, four things that I wanted to mention. That was bundles, because it's huge in their email marketing strategy. For skincare, is that they always take skincare products and bundle them together. I guess that's what. Okay, that was a promotion. All right. See, they almost never promote a skincare product alone. They always promote a bundle because the average order value would be better, because it also showcases better benefits for the clients. You don't only sell what the product does, you do sell a result. So here, cover plus remove duo. So you sell a result, and two products are better than one to actually achieve something. So there, see, they're sending duo or routines, but there's only selling bundles um, when it comes to skincare. So that's a huge thing in their marketing strategy. It shows right away. Should be for every other skincare brand as well, to keep in mind the power of bundling products. Okay, all right, and to end this video, wanted to have a quick look at the ads that Fenty Beauty is running. So looking at what they're doing here I actually wanted to take a look, I guess, on. All right, so see, that's the same thing here. They're actually bundling their skincare products in advertising as well in their ads. So step one, for one, two, three, four, and you have each product um, for each step. It's pretty much the same thing here. Let's see if they do here, but it's the same, the starters. So it's another way of bundling. Oh, Rihanna, once again, is here. So here you go. See, interesting. That's something that they do every single time for um, for skincare. Here, see, they're sending results. Okay, that's an ad for a single product, I guess, but they managed to actually do a before after, something super powerful in the skincare industry. Though I do not see that much the difference. Is it me or no? All right, yeah, pretty powerful. And I wanted to have a look at the what I believe are their most performing ads. So let's get it there. All right, so we're in the same vein, and we're also using on top of Rihanna itself, we're using a lot of social proof. So we have Rihanna and we have customer social proof, and those are the most common ads that they're using. All right. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful. Um, yeah, let me know if you have any question. Leave a comment. Find me on LinkedIn, or you can just book a demo on Panoramata if you want. I'll be on the other side of the call, and yeah, just subscribe to the channel because we're running those analyses at least twice a week now. So yeah, if you learn something, then that was my mission, and I do hope that that you find something helpful in this video. Anyway, take good care of yourself and have a great day. Bye bye.